Why did this guy just keep breaking my heart? Why? My mom warned me about him, but I wouldn't listen. Just take a look at me. He just broke my heart. After everything I did for him, I sacrificed my life. I sacrificed my time. I sacrificed my body. I just gave him everything, but yet he still broke my heart. What does men really want? What do they really want? What? Why? Why? Why did they keep doing this to me? Why? My mom warned me, but I wouldn't listen. I didn't listen. No, just look at me. Just look at me. Just look at me. Am I not good enough? Am I not good enough? Why would you do that to me? Why?